Invoicing your customers is a great way to manage your billing and keep track of your sales. So in this video, I'll show you how you can generate and send custom professional invoices to your contacts. To get started, navigate to Payments, and from here, we'll be dropped into the Invoices screen. To create your first invoice, click New on the right-hand side, and then click New Invoice. From here, we can do lots of things, including modifying our business information if needed. This is information like your address and website, which will appear on the invoice. When that's good to go, select your customer from the list and be sure they have an email to send the invoice to. Once you've selected your customer, their information will be imported into the invoice on the right-hand side. We can then modify information like our invoice number and dates under Invoice Settings, and we can add our product under Add Products. Here, we can add our product by clicking Add Product and selecting our product from the list below. On this screen, we can modify information like the product title, the price, quantity, taxes, and even add things like discounts and payment schedules. Finally, we have our additional options at the very bottom, which will allow us to add terms and notes, as well as any attachments that are necessary. When our invoice is ready to go, we can save it in the top right-hand side or send it immediately by clicking the drop-down and clicking Mark as Sent. We can also get a preview of our invoice by clicking the three dots and clicking Preview Invoice. The invoice itself will be housed within a custom link, just like this, which can be sent to your customer and they can use to pay securely. Back in our invoices screen, you'll see the invoice along with its invoice number, the customer you designated for it, the date, amount, and its status. Once a customer pays an invoice, it'll move from draft to received. And on this screen, you'll be able to see other pieces of information like what dollar amount of invoices are overdue and how many invoices are due today. You can modify all of your invoice settings by clicking Settings in the top right-hand side and adding information like your logo, business name, phone number, and address. Before sending out regular invoices, we'd recommend you go through your settings and make sure that your invoices are configured correctly for your business. And just like that, after you've configured your settings, you'll be able to generate and send even more professional invoices to your customers so that you can manage your sales and billing in a safe and professional manner. Feel free to explore more features under invoicing, such as invoice templates, recurring invoices, and even estimates that you can send to your contacts. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.